Alright guys, welcome to this channel. Alright, in today's video I'll be taking you through how you can fund your Binance accounts from Nigeria. Alright, the reason why I'm doing this video is that some of my subscribers are requesting for this video. Okay, because of probably they are trying to withdraw from the Cheelee app. Alright, so I think the Chile video I made is one of the video that actually blew up on my channel. So and a lot of them are requesting from how to fund their Binance account so they can withdraw their Chile from the app. So that is why I'm doing this video. Okay, so welcome to CoinPacker. My name is Newman. In this channel we share videos on how to make money online, crypto trading, forex, anything that actually has a good means of you making money. All right, that is what we share on this channel. All right, stay with me as I take you through how you can you know fund your Binance account from Nigeria. All right, this is on Bybit. All right, I am on Bybit app right now. Okay, so let me take you through how you can fund your Binance account in regard Cheelee, or how you can basically fund your Binance if Binance is the app you like to trade with. Okay, you can also trade with Bybit as well, but this particular video is to show you how I found my Binance account, because Binance no longer accept P2P, all right, in Nigeria. So as you can see, you see the P2P app here. You can see the P2P app there. Then you click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to the P2P market. All right, so when it take you to the P2P market, please, you need to avoid some certain things. Learn to filter your options. Okay, as you can see, the ones that you can see, that top line say hard type, it says show only verified advertiser. That's the first one. So you need to turn that on to be able to get people who will not scam you. All right, now sometimes when you turn that on, you get a fewer ads. All right, but for in the purpose of this video, let's turn it on. All right, so now after turning it on, you can click on how you want your market to be seen, whether by price by lower to highest, or complete order. In other words, the numbers of people you have, uh, numbers of orders, people who have completed large orders to low orders, and the uh, completion rate, the review of the sellers or the buyers. Okay, now you want to check for payment method. Or what kind of payment method do you want? Is it the one that has all kinds of payment method, or only 15 payment method, 30 payment method? You can always reset it, as you can see there. Then like that. So after doing all of this filtering, then you just click on confirm. You can click on the amount button, that amount button there. After clicking on it, it will give you a place to enter the amount of which you want to buy. All right, so for example, let's assume we are buying 177,100,000 worth of USD. So you click on confirm. So it will search for people who are willing to sell this amount for you. As you can see, you notice that beside their names is carrying a verified pin. As you can see, those are the people you want to watch out for, because these people tends to um serve you better than the rest. But most times you may likely not get people who will scam you, though, you understand. But that's what Bybit is required of us, so that you are not being scammed. Use the one that are verified. Now you can see that I enter the amount. It give me a range of amount that I can purchase. All right, so if I click on this one for buy, so if I click on the first one for buy, okay, it will take me to the account of the person to put in the amount I want to buy. That if the person is willing to sell such amount, then we can continue with our transaction. But it's not willing to sell that amount, then we'll look for another seller. So now we put in the amount 177,100. Okay, now this person is like this person is willing to sell this amount. All right, but let's make it exactly. Okay, now we'll place on buy. All right, now you see it has given us the details of which we can make payment with, and we have only 14 minutes to make this payment. Okay, and when you click on make payment, you see rules from the seller. You understand? The seller will tell you not to indicate some certain words in the process of making this payment. Okay, so we want to um, copy the bank account. All right, and want to also cram the name of this person. This person's name is Enterprise Marvelous Ikechukwu. Enterprise Marvelous Ikechukwu. Then which bank are we sending the money to? Money Point. All right, Money Point is where we are sending this money to. So let's go and make a payment. So um let me enter the amount. You must enter the exact amount which you use in, in that place. You must be exact amount 77200. It must be the same amount of, otherwise you will have issues. As you can see, the name up there is the same name on that the in the seller's name, Enterprise Marvelous Ikechukwu. So click on confirm. All right, payment completed. So let's come to Bybit, and then click on, after sending your money, you have to come to Bybit and click payment completed. Now Bybit is required to answer these questions. You say, I understand completing this transfer requires leaving the platform, and that Bybit does not automatically process the payment. The payment. I confirm that pay I will pay using an account with my legal name. So you must tick these two button before you confirm. Then it has been confirmed. Then this one is not really necessary, but you can just it says select the notification scroll, blah blah blah. It doesn't really matter. So you just after doing that, just wait. Okay. So by the time the countdown is completed, your coin will be released. Now let me quickly show you something. The money has been credited into my account, as you can see the notification up there. So before we go further, if you've ever sent, if you have already made payment on your account, coming back to your Bybit app, you discover that the button for you to click you have made payment is no longer there. All you have to do is come to order like this place. You come to order this place. When you click on it, the process of your, what's it called, will be there. Okay, it will be showing there. This one is the one we just completed now. You understand? It will be showing that the something is still counting. You just click on it. When you click on it, it will show you the button of making payment, and click on that you have made payment. You understand? Then you will not be having issue. The person will fund the money. Okay, so that is it. So let's go and check our account if the money has been credited into our account. Yeah, as you can see, the wallet has been funded. All right, now to send your to buy Bybit, you can to buy Binance coin, BNB coin, you can do two options. One is to buy the Binance coin from trading spot, or the other is to convert a certain amount of convert your USDT to Binance. In order to do that, you have convert here. You come to USDT, that from USDT to Binance, you come here, you choose a BNB. We will look for BNB to change to. If you cannot search it, just click on, just write B and B, as you can see on top there. You click on it. All right, how much do you want to convert? You can say I want to convert 10 USD. 10 USD. All right, this is the amount you will receive for converting 10 USD. Okay, so you just click on it and then voila, it is done. Then you now have BNB. Then you, from here, you now go back to your wallet to send your BNB. Now when you come to your wallet, you'll be seeing the list of assets that you have here. Right now I only have USDT. That is why it's showing on use. If I have Binance, it will be showing all year or under year too. Okay, you just click on Binance, it will ask you for, or it will ask you for send or to receive, as you are seeing above here, as you are seeing on the top there. When you click on the asset you want to send, it will still give you these options to send, receive, deposit, and all that. You click on send, put your you click on withdraw. You click on withdraw. All right, after clicking on withdraw, you put in the wallet address you want to withdraw to, put in the network, put in the amount, and then you transfer. It's as simple as that. That is how you fund. Okay, that is how you fund your account. So that is that, guys. Please, if you find this video, as I've said before, to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to get updated whenever we upload new videos. So I'm going to use this amount, this money here, to trade. That's why I found this. So I don't want to transfer it away to Binance. All right, that if not, I would have showed you the full see how it is, but I'm sure you can get hold of it from as I've explained. All right, see you guys, bye.